It is raining. This is not part of the plan. It is cold. Well, it doesn't mean you can't have an adventure. It's Monday. Let's get it. Okay. And we're rocking the bay apparently with some music. It's raining, like you saw, and we are in the car.
Yep.
And we're gonna go have some fun with our hoods.
Rain adventure.
Rain adventures.
You have hood. I have a Mickey umbrella.
A magical umbrella.
Off we go.
Off we go. All right, let's go. Drive safe, kids. Drive safe. Seatbelt, 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 seatbelt.
Yep.
Hey, don't forget your seatbelt.
Yep.
Seatbelt.
It's like a school bus driver.
Everybody,
Even though they don't wear.
put your seatbelt
They
on.
don't wear seatbelts on school buses, but you know. When in doubt, Mickey Mouse umbrella. Keeps the hair looking good. What you got there?
A rug, a magic carpet.
A magic carpet.
I wonder if it flies.
I'm sure we'll find out.
Studio bell. And like that, we got some more gas. You ready?
Let's do it. Next stop.
Next stop. Everybody's already like, where the frick are you guys at? We haven't seen any footage yet. You got a rug?
I got a rug. Well, we got a rug that we needed. I'm very overexposed. There we go. There I am.
And you're like in the corner. You're like, hello, everybody. Just kidding.
Yeah, every time I go over there, it's like that. Okay, there we go. So I got a rug. And we got some stuff at World Market. We didn't shoot anything in there, but yeah.
Yeah, we got
We
some
have
stuff.
some top secret things.
It's top
happening.
secret.
So you don't get to know everything this week. So
And sorry. It's because it's special people's birthdays.
Yeah.
All right.
Actually, I guess we could talk about it because the birthday will have already happened.
Well, just in case, let's not talk about it.
It's a horse, of course.
And of course, another horse. All right. Those are your dumplings.
A little bit. Get some sizzle.
A little bit of sizzle.
Oh. Well, we had sizzle earlier.
We had sizzle.
There was sizzle.
There was sizzle. It was like very it was talkative.
Looks delicious though.
Yeah.
Pork dumplings.
Pork dumplings.
Yep.
All right. And I got the pork egg rolls.
Pork egg rolls.
With like this I don't know, it's like little noodles, little like hard, little like styrofoam. You want some?
Styrofoam.
Internet? Crunch, crunch, crunch. Bam.
Yeah, one left. But
One
we
left.
almost did it.
Almost.
It's gonna go.
By the way, I don't know what this is here. I tried eating it and it hurt to eat it. I don't know what it is. Don't eat it. I think it's plastic or like packaging material. I think it's packaging material. And we have that. What is this?
We got Kung Pao chicken with fried rice. So not the healthiest option, but you know, you gotta splurge sometimes when you're at the place that has really good food. So we crushed it. It's gone. Completely gone. But we did the right thing. We shared a lunch portion, and then we each got an appetizer. So we got to have a lot of different things without having too much food. But yeah, no complaints.
And the best part about Asian food is this. Boom! Fortune cookies.
See what I got. Your generosity will be reciprocated this week. Oh, generous I am. Yoda I am, apparently, also. I don't know why I'm talking like that. See what you got.
All right. What does it say? What does it say? Your short-term goal will be met within the month. Is it just me? Because like when we go out to eat, I can't just leave the table. Everything has to be like cleaned. You know, it's like the respect. You appreciate them, right? They work hard. And so like I always like keeping everything sort of clean and just easy to, you know, pick up. I'm not a BIG or anything, you know what I mean? I mean, I am, but keeping the fortunes. Let's get it.
All right. So that was really good. Maybe let's head inside, check out some stuff.
Yep.
Hey, look, Old Navy. They got a whole bunch of guys stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's go.
So we got a whole bunch of girl stuff too.
And you know what that means? Gotta follow her around in the clearance section.
Hey.
Just kidding. And just like that, the day escaped us. It is 10 o'clock.
Yep.
We're dry, thankfully. We're not as cold.
Yeah.
We went to so many stores, and we got some things that we needed for the house, and we got some things that we needed to get for a special occasion. And I think it was pretty successful, very successful.
Yeah,
it was nice.
Successful day.
And you know what? Like, so we didn't go to the Springs, and we didn't go to a state park, right? We didn't travel 4 hours. We had an adventure, and we got to go to stores we normally don't go, and normally don't really go shopping that much. So we're sitting on the couch. We're about to have a little dinner, late night dinner, and we are going to continue this. Didn't plan for the weather, but
No.
some of the greatest adventures you can't plan.
Yeah.
So we will pick this up tomorrow.
See you guys later.
See you guys later. Woo! I'm so glad that day's over with. Guys, I haven't seen you in like 2 days. I'm sorry. We have just been working. I'm talking projects out of the wazoo. Does people even still say that? Anyways, let's see what Sarah's doing.
Hey guys, what's up? So as you can see, I got the laptop going. In case some of you didn't know yet, I am a professional dancer and choreographer and currently studying at Jacksonville University. I'm repping my shirt today. getting my master's in choreography. So yesterday we got really busy because Justin was helping me film because I'm applying to some teaching jobs, fingers crossed. So I have some documentation of me teaching some professional dancers. So here's like a little bit of that kind of stuff so you can see what that looks like. That takes up a lot of my time right now. So yeah, check it out. Take your intensity up to like a medium. And good. Shoulder down on the inside. Good. And long. Good. Toss together. All together. Through long crochet. Everything extends. Energy out to come up. Wrap the pull the in, so all of that gathering of your arms so it doesn't just come here, yeah? Like how this pathway scoops and takes you up to this upper curve releve, and then pull out, send your energy through. We should make dinner. You want to make dinner?
Yeah, that sounds great. Kind of empty here.
Yeah, I need a refill.
What was that, water?
No, it was a chai. Chai latte.
Chai?
Yeah. But I'm feeling a grilled cheese vibe. What do you think?
Grilled cheese vibe?
Grilled cheese vibe?
Let's go.
Fair.
Hey, love, which cheese do we even use? There's so much here.
Got some options.
Wait. There's somebody in here. It's everybody. It's everybody from YouTube.
What are you guys doing in the fridge?
Come on, it's cold outside. I wouldn't even recommend being in here. We got good stuff, but this is not the place to be.
Well, we're gonna get busy making some grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese!
And,
Oh, guys, we're just gonna go make dinner. I would recommend staying in here, but guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Remember, it all starts on Monday here on BersLyf, and go make the best of it. Boom!
see you guys later. What do you guys think? Not sure? Well, very not sure. Simon seems a little unfazed, but Milo's not sure.
He's so low.
He is low to the ground because he doesn't know yet if he likes it. What's up, Milo? Come here. It's okay. Dad, don't laugh at me. Let him look at you. Hey!
Hey, come on,
Nope,
stop that.
that's not what it's for. Simon, close up.